Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the preparation of alcohols. Students, earlier we have discussed about the preparation of alcohols by alkenes, in which we have discussed about the acid catalyzed hydration. Now we are going to discuss about the preparation of alcohols from carbonyl compound, and you know very well about carbonyl compound, that may be CHO, that is aldehyde, that may be ketone, that may be carboxylic acid, that may be COOH, that may be RCOR. Okay, that is ketone, carboxylic acid and aldehyde. So from them we are going to prepare alcohols. And one more thing is, students, one topic is left in the preparation of alkene, that is by hydroboration oxidation. So let us discuss each of them. Students, talking about the preparation of alcohols from alkene, there is one more topic left, that is by hydroboration oxidation. So from the word you can clearly identify that it is basically the addition of borane group to the alkene. Okay, and what you have to just look here is that earlier you have seen that when unsymmetrical alkenes are reacted with water molecule, it basically forms 2-degree alcohol. Okay, that is, it follows Markovnikov's rule. But here in this case you will see that the product is basically propane 1-ol, that is 1-degree alcohol is forming. Okay, so you can assume it as anti-Markovnikov's rule. Okay, and basically what happens when alkene is reacted with borane, that is diborane, the trialkyl borane is formed. So here you can see this is trialkyl because CH3 CH2 CH2 whole thrice, that is trialkyl borane is formed. And when this trialkyl borane undergo hydrolysis, it not undergo hydrolysis, it basically oxidized by hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so basically hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2, is used for its oxidation in the presence of, you can say, aqueous sodium hydroxide. So for this we have written OH minus, it is representing aqueous sodium hydroxide. So in this way, this is about the hydroboration oxidation. And also, a student, the reaction of alcohol is obtained in greater yield. Okay, here the reaction is obtained in greater yield, that is alcohol are formed in very great yield, the amount is almost larger. Now students, we are going to discuss about the preparation of alcohol from carbonyl compound. So carbonyl compound may be any, it may be aldehyde, it may be ketones. What basically happens here, you can see reduction. Okay, so whatever compound we are considering, if we are considering aldehyde, then it is reduced to alcohol, and if we are considering ketones, then it is also reduced to alcohol. And basically the reducing agent used are, it may be palladium, platinum and nickel. Okay, so for this basically you have to do nothing. Whatever aldehyde you are taking, suppose you are taking any aldehyde, it will react with hydrogen. Okay, and basically it will what do, it will basically reduce to, in the presence of, you may write palladium, you may write platinum, you may write nickel, and it forms the alcohol, so RHCH2OH. So basically what you have to remember is that whenever aldehyde is going to reduce, primary alcohol is formed. And similarly when you are going to reduce acetone, okay, then what happens, and during its reduction 2-degree alcohol is formed, you can see here. Okay, now students, there is one more condition, that this catalyst palladium, platinum, nickel, beside this there are some more you can say reducing agent from which the aldehyde and ketones can be reduced. These basically are the sodium borohydride, that is NaBH4, or you can use lithium aluminium hydride, that is LiAlH4. So again nothing will be changed. When you will use this reactant, then also aldehyde will reduce to primary alcohol and acetone, that is ketone, will reduce to secondary alcohol. You can see here in the diagram, here you can see the primary alcohol, aldehyde is reducing into primary alcohol when we are using either of them. We can use NaBH4 also, we can use LiLH4 also. And in case of, you can see, acetone, or you can say ketone, what happens when we use NaBH4 and LiLH4, 2 degree, you can see here, this is 2 degree alcohol, so 2 degree alcohol is formed. Now students, it can also be formed by reduction of carboxylic acid and ester. So we can also form alcohols from carboxylic acid and from ester also. So for the preparation from carboxylic acid, we can simply reduce it by following 2 steps. That is, the very first is reacting it with lithium aluminum hydroxide and lithium aluminum hydride, and after this we have followed the hydrolysis. So for this, primary alcohol will form, and in case of, you can see here the example, that is CH3COH, acetic acid is reacting with lithium aluminum hydride. Firstly it is reduced and then it is hydrolyzed and it forms the primary alcohol. Now students, as lithium aluminum hydride is very expensive, so for commercial purpose it basically formed by simply forming ester, and after this that ester is formed to alcohol. What happens? The acids are reduced to alcohol. So whatever acid you are taking, suppose you are taking any acid, okay, this acid will be reduced to alcohol. And how this is reduced to alcohol? We will convert this acid to any ester. So converting this acid to ester, it should be reacted with any alcohol in the presence of acidic medium, then it will be formed that RCOOR dash, that is ester is formed, okay. And after the ester is formed, it will be just reduced, that is hydrogenation is done, it is used as a catalyst, and alcohol is formed, that is RCH2OH and R-OH. So this is what we are talking about, the commercial preparation of alcohol, and this is widely used, okay. Now students, we are going to discuss about the preparation of alcohol from Grignard reagent. So earlier also I have told you about Grignard reagent. It is basically RMgX. So we are going to react any acetone, okay, or you can say any carbonyl compound, that may be aldehyde, that may be ketone, that may be carboxylic acid. So basically how this mechanism takes place, suppose we are taking any ketone, okay, you can form, if we are going to write the 2H, it is basically formaldehyde. If we are converting it as R, it is basically acetaldehyde. So in this way you can change them. Or suppose if we are just drawing it as CH3 and CH3, then it will become ketone. So in this manner you have to just change them. So suppose we are reacting the carbonyl compound with RMgX. So what you have to just look is that here at R, partial negative character is there, and MgX is having partial positive character. So when you will shift the pi bond to the oxygen will possess negative charge and the positive portion, okay. As there is lack of here, basically the formation of carbocation may be done, so R will become here, positive negative will attract here, and MgX will go to the O. So you can look here in the diagram. So this adduct is formed. So in whenever we are going to form alcohol from Grignard reagent, firstly adduct is formed, and this adduct is then hydrolyzed. So for hydrolysis H2O is used, so then it is converted into, you can see, alcohol. What basically is happening here in hydrolysis, you are just breaking this bond, okay, this O minus MgX plus, okay, this bond is break, and the from water molecule the H will come to the oxygen and OH will come to the MgX, so forming MgOHX and forming the alcohol, that is this. What basically you have to remember here is that in case of formaldehyde, okay, whenever you are going to form formaldehyde, here primary alcohol will form. But when you are using acetaldehyde, okay, you are using higher aldehyde other than formaldehyde, then 2-degree alcohol will form. And when you are using ketone, then 3-degree alcohol will form. Okay, so here the previous concept is changed. Previously we have seen that when carbonyl compound are reduced, so basically you can say the aldehyde gives primary alcohol and ketones give 2-degree alcohol. But here the concept is changed because only formaldehyde will give 1-degree alcohol, and higher aldehydes, that may be RCHO, will give 2-degree alcohol, and ketone RCOR dash will give 3-degree alcohol. So you can use this whenever you are going to draw about alcohol. So if it is asked about 1-degree alcohol, then you can use formaldehyde. If it is asked the 2-degree alcohol from Grignard reagent, then you can use higher aldehydes. Now students, coming to the next point, basically the lecture is finished now. So you have to just remember how to answer, because in your question it may ask directly giving the example. So sometimes reagent will be missing, so you have to write the reagent, and sometime product will be missing, so you have to write the product. So suppose a student, if it is written CH3CHO and it react with palladium and platinum, okay, and question is empty. So for this you have to just basically write it will form CH3CH2OH, okay. Or suppose sometime this part is missing, so if you are saying that CH3CH2 is converting into CH3CH2OH, so you can directly write here it may be platinum, palladium, or you can also write the lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride. So you have to pay attention to the question. Thank you class.